Most homeowners think once they buy a new roof, they're protected. But here's the scary part. There are a few common mistakes that can actually void your roof warranty. And some homeowners don't find out until they have a leak, a failure, or a claim that gets denied. So in this video, we're going through 7 hidden things that can put your roof warranty at risk. And number 1 is probably the biggest warranty killer we see. Hey, I'm Max, and welcome back to the Roof Lab. If you're replacing your roof, thinking about replacing your roof, or trying to understand what your current roof warranty actually covers, this video is going to help you avoid some expensive surprises. Because a new roof warranty is only valuable if the roof is installed, maintained, and modified the right way. Number 1 is improper ventilation. This is one of the biggest issues homeowners don't even think about. Your roof just isn't shingles, it's an entire system. Your attic needs to breathe properly so heat and moisture can escape. When ventilation is wrong, heat can build up under the roof deck, moisture can get trapped in the attic, and shingles can age faster than they should. That can lead to curling, blistering, decking problems, mold concerns, and premature roof failure. And depending on the manufacturer and warranty terms, poor ventilation can put parts of your shingle warranty at risk. That's why a good roofing contractor should be looking at more than just the outside of your roof. And number 2 is pressure washing your roof. This one surprises a lot of homeowners. If your roof has algae streaks, moss, or staining, it might be tempting to just blast it clean with a pressure washer, but asphalt shingles have protective granules on the surface, and those granules help protect the shingle from sunlight, weather, and wear. And pressure washing can strip those granules off and damage the roof. So if your roof needs cleaning, do not treat it like a driveway or a deck. Use the cleaning methods recommended by the shingle manufacturer or talk to a qualified roofing professional first. Number 3 is installing a new roof over an old roof. This is sometimes called a layover. It may sound like a way to save money, but it can create serious problems. When a new roof is installed over top of your old shingles, the contractor may not be able to properly inspect the decking underneath. That means soft wood, rot, water damage, or bad ventilation problems could get covered up instead of fixed. It can also trap heat and affect how the new roofing system performs. Many manufacturers have specific rules around installation, and if those rules aren't followed, warranty coverage can become a problem. Number 4 is DIY repairs or hiring the wrong contractor. And this is a big one. A small repair might seem simple. Maybe a little pipe boot is leaking, or a few shingles blew off, or flashing needs to be sealed. But if the repair is done incorrectly, it can create a bigger leak, damage the system, or interfere with the original installation. The same is true when a contractor isn't certified, doesn't follow manufacturer specifications, or uses the wrong materials. A roof warranty is not just about the product, it's also about how that product was installed. And that's why workmanship matters, and why it's important to choose someone who understands the roofing system that they're working on. Number 5 is adding skylights, solar panels, or other penetrations after the roof is installed. Anytime someone cuts into, drills, or attaches something to your roof, there is risk. Skylights, solar brackets, vents, and other roof penetrations have to be flashed and sealed correctly. If they're not, water can get underneath the roofing system and cause damage. The issue is that the original roofing contractor may not be responsible for damage caused by someone else modifying the roof later. So before adding anything to your roof, make sure everyone involved understands how to protect the roofing system and your warranty. Number 6 is satellite dishes. And this is an easy one to overlook. The satellite dish installer may not be thinking about your roofing warranty, they're thinking about getting the dish mounted. But if they drill directly through the shingles or roof deck without the proper flashing and sealing, they can create a leak point. That small amount of set screws can turn into a major problem later. If something needs to be mounted on your home, ask whether it can be placed somewhere else other than the roof. And finally, number 7, skipping maintenance. A roof is not something you should ignore for 20 or 30 years and only think about when the water starts coming through the ceiling. Routine maintenance matters. That means keeping debris off the roof, making sure your gutters are working, and checking pipe boots and flashing, watching for storm damage, and then having the roof inspected when something looks off. Small problems are much easier to fix early. But if damage is ignored for too long, it can become harder to determine what caused the issue and whether it's covered by any warranties or not. So here's the big takeaway. Your roof warranty can be incredibly valuable, but only if the roofing system is installed correctly, maintained properly, and not damaged by avoidable mistakes. Before you replace your roof, ask your contractor what can void the warranty, what maintenance is required, and who's responsible if someone modifies the roof later. Here at the Roof Lab, our goal is to help homeowners understand the full roofing system, not just the shingles. And if you have any questions about your roof, the warranty, or whether something may be putting your coverage at risk, just reach out. And if this video helped, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who owns a home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.